Hello, my name is Pavel Fedotov. I'm a blockchain developer. I'm proficient in JavaScript, Solidity, TypeScript, and Rust. So far, as a blockchain developer, we've completed a Filecoin grant with PinSafe, and currently PinSafe is in Gitcoin beta round for open source and social media categories. I've also applied with my educational platform, Data Science with Python, or in short, Dspyt, and it also features in an education round for Gitcoin. So far, we've won multiple hackathons, and have a pretty interesting grant from Filecoin. So currently I'm staying in Chiang Mai in Thailand, where we're developing ZkBs, and we are working on ZkBlind, which is implemented in Next.js, which makes React even faster. We've built some circuits. We've built the circuits in Circom actually. We've implemented smart contracts with Solidity Forge or Foundry, and so we've actually have a demo for this application, which we are looking forward to building during the Ethereum Fellowship. So here's the demo essentially. We enter the proof inputs and the details for the user, and now essentially the user can post a new message, and the contract is on Mansell. So now we change the user. This is a new user who doesn't have permission, so we have to register. We enter the proof inputs and the public input for user, and the email suffix, essentially the organization of a person. So we verify the contract, the user has been whitelisted, and now we can post a new message. As you can see, the user IDs are unique, and the suffixes are unique as well. That's it. Thank you so much for your attention. We're definitely looking forward to implementing ZkBlind in the next year or so, I guess. Thank you.